Your Ninja Foodi Deluxe is equipped with 9 cooking functions for endless mealtime possibilities. The pressure, steam, slow cook, and yogurt functions are used with the pressure lid. Use the Sear Saute without the lid for browning and flipping ingredients, just like on your stovetop. The Air Crisp, Bake Roast, Broil, and Dehydrate functions are used with the crisping lid. To adjust the temperature or pressure level, press the temp button and turn the knob to select your desired temperature. To adjust the cooking time, press the time button and turn the knob to select your cooking time. Press the Start/Stop button to begin or end your cooking cycle. Use the pressure function to quickly tenderize and infuse moisture into your foods with pressurized steam. After pressure cooking your food, use the Air Crisp function to tender crisp your food to perfection. Use the Steam function to cook foods you typically steam in a pot on your stovetop. Steam infuses moisture, seals in flavor, and maintains the texture of your foods. Use the Slow Cook function for low and slow cooking for chili, stews, and pulled pork. Use the Yogurt function to easily create delicious yogurt. The Air Crisp function delivers a crispy, golden texture using little to no oil. The Bake Roast function allows you to cook meals in the pot as you would with your oven. The Broil function used with the Deluxe reversible rack finishes off your meals with caramelization and crispiness. The Dehydrate function allows you to gently remove moisture from ingredients to create snacks like chips and jerky. Visit ninjakitchen.com for exciting recipe ideas to get you started. For more information, visit www.ninjakitchen.com.